How to normalize audio in Audacity. To begin, I added an audio and I want to normalize it. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Normalizing audio means adding a certain amount of gain to the audio to bring the amplitude to a target level. First, click on the left side of Audio track to select it. Now from Effect menu, Volume and Compression, select Normalize. Leave everything at default and click Apply. -1, -2, and -3 are the best values here. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Now I normalize this audio, but let's say I have multiple audio clips and all of them need to be normalized, so it's best to create a macro to do this operation for all of them at once. First, delete this track. Go to Edit Preferences. Click on Directories section, then click on Browse button next to Macro Output. Navigate to the location you want to save the normalized audio files and click on Select Folder. Now go to Tools, Macro Manager. Click on New button and set a name for the macro. Select the new macro and click on Insert button. Click on any of the commands, then press the N key on your keyboard, which is the first letter of Normalize command. Select the Normalize command and click OK. After normalization, we need to export the files. So, click on the end, then click on Insert button to add a new command before the end. This time press E and X to search for export, select the export as WAV or MP3, and click OK. At last, click on Save button. Now the macro is ready to be used. Select it, then click on Files button. Navigate to the location where your files are stored and select them. Now close this window, and if I go to the location where I specified for my macro output, there are my files, which now all of them are normalized. Audacity is a great app for editing audio. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.